Hello everyone. Today we are going to tell you that how CERVs revolutionize our indoor and future life. I'm Yuankai Huang.
I'm Yuankai Huang.
I'm going to tell you the first part of the video. The next part, please. Before introducing you the CERV, I'm going to tell you what the CERV is. The CERV is a cool ventilation system that keeps our indoor air clean and save you money on energy. It swaps the heat between the incoming and outgoing air to keep your space uncomfortable. It also checks things like temperature and humidity and adjusts the airflow as needed. Basically, it's a smart way to keep the air fresh without spending too much on heating and cooling. Simply put it, the CERV consists of a heat pump, fans, and sensors. The sensors monitor the overall operation of the CERV and the indoor environmental values. The heat pump and the fans work together to regulate the room's ventilation, temperature, and humidity. The purpose of the CERV is to achieve better net zero energy buildings. That is, building where the energy consumption and production are balanced. With the invention of the CERV, its social, economic, and environmental significance has begun to emerge. The next part, please. Our video are divided into 5 parts. Let's come into the first part. Today, we are diving into the CERVs, are transforming our approach to energy efficiency and indoor air quality. Our discussion is structured to impact you into 4 significant ways. Firstly, you'll learn why CERVs are important in sustainable technology, reducing the environmental impacts and improving health through the better air quality. This knowledge is crucial for grasping how innovations can combat global climate changes. Secondly, by examining the real-world challenges in designing and implementing CERV systems, you'll develop the ability to think critically about the technology solutions, encouraging you to analyze the problems and think creatively about overcoming them. Thirdly, we focus on data analysis and project simulation to sharpen your analytical skills, prepare you to assess information, validate solutions, and apply this method in real world. Lastly, understanding the social impacts of the CERVs equips you to use your knowledge in enhancing public health and environmental sustainability. After talking about the objectives, I'm talking about the implication of the CERVs. The implication of the CERVs can be divided into 3 points. Below, I will analyze them. For the social implications, firstly, CERVs help keep indoor temperature and humidity at comfortable levels, which makes living and working spaces more pleasant. This can boost productivity, make people think clearer, and increase overall happiness for those living and working in these environments. Secondly, using the CERVs in building highlights the significance of indoor air quality and energy efficiency. This can teach everyone, from homeowners to builders, about the advantage of using sustainable technology in constructions. By reducing the housing cost, we are also preparing a better future for our children, helping meet their needs more easily. For the environmental implications, firstly, the CERV reduces the energy needed for heating and cooling by recycling energy from exhaust air to condition incoming fresh air. This lowers the greenhouse gas emission from energy production, supporting the global action against climate changes. Secondly, the energy recovery ventilators reduces the use of the fossil fuel and the electricity needed for heating and cooling. This resource conservation is essential for sustainable development and helps lessen the impact on natural ecosystems. For the economic implications, firstly, using the CERV significantly reduces the energy use, cutting the heating and the cooling costs. Homeowners recoup their initial investment over time through savings. A Vermont survey shows that the home with CERVs save at least $2,000 annually on utilities. Additionally, CERVs enhance indoor air quality, boosting the health and comfort, which adds a value beyond energy savings. Secondly, installing CERV systems involves initial cost, but they gradually have lower long-term maintenance and operation expenses compared to the traditional HVAC systems. Additionally, CERVs reduce the strain on heating and cooling systems, potentially extending their lifespan and offering further economic benefits. The next part will be formed by my teammate. He will talk about the entrepreneur mindset and the data analysis. Thank you.
Hi. As people become more aware of environmental issues, there's growing need for eco-friendly options in our homes and offices. The CERV2 system answers this call by providing a way for companies to offer green and innovative solutions. It has strong capability to clean up indoor air by removing harmful pollution and controlling humidity, making our living space healthier and more comfortable. With new environmental rules and risky energy problems, the CERV2 system is a smart choice for reducing risk and keeping up with regulations. It's designed to be user-friendly, fitting easily into our homes. At its core, the CERV2 is more than just a simple equipment. It's a step forward in how we think about business. It's about turning problems into chances to do better and adding values to goals beyond just making money. Supporting this technology means we are all working towards a greater plan and leading positive change around our world. Next slide, please. We are going to now. I will show you our simulation result to reflect the energy efficiency and the economic benefits of the CERV2. On the left two graphs, you can see that after the installation of CERV2, our home's energy demand from solar panel decreases. And from the right graphs, you can see that the CERV's return of investment ratio reaches as high as 80%. Next slide, please. For the next four graphs, we can see that after adding CERV2 in the zero simulation tool, our designed home saved 4,500 kilowatt hours of electricity and $54,000 in lifetime cost. For the data, it's clear that CERV2 perfectly meets the standard of high efficiency home technology. To the conclusion part, please. So to make your home both environmentally friendly and energy efficient, possibly even reaching net zero energy use, you need a planning and some key steps. For example, choosing building materials that have great insulators, or considering putting solar panels on your roof so that you can use solar energy. A great addition to improve heating, cooling, and air quality in your home is the CERV2 system. Installing a CERV2 heat pump is a smart way to address both environmental and economic goals. Our aim in introducing the CERV2 is to show you what it can do, encourage you to care more about saving energies and protecting the environment, and motivate you to think in entrepreneurship about sustainable development. We hope you can learn something from our videos. Thank you for your watching.